Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Baby, let me hold you. Yeah, you know, say I don't go leave you. I go walk, I never.
Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. I am so excited. It's officially my birthday weekend. So today is Saturday and I took 13 of my fun lifers, my girlies, to the spot with me, and we just got here, and I'll show you guys like what the spot looks like. I'm gonna vlog and all, and yeah, I'm excited. My birthday is on Monday, but I'm celebrating this weekend. But yeah, this is the outfit they have us wearing. It's like this shorts and this t-shirt, like it's giving like prison, like what the heck, but it's okay. But yeah, we're at this spot called Spot Work in Katy, Texas, and yeah, this is like our key holder to like get to our locker room and all. And yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll see y'all later. Bye.
She banging on me on the back.
I'm vlogging for you to say hi. Late comments.
Where do we change busing?
In here.
Is that your? I do not read. I do not know.
Okay, say hi.
Hey guys. Hi Chizzy. Hi.
Yeah. I'll take this over summer any day.
No. Oh, sorry. You said you take what?
This over summer any day.
Are you serious? Oh.
Baby girl, I want to make you bring them to my way. Yes, I they want them to be Baby girl, I want to make you bring them to my way. If I want the love, you, my baby.
So guys, my birthday is coming up in a few days, and I'm doing two things. And just because I'm doing two things, and obviously like you're all coming to like both things, and I feel like it's kind of a lot, but no one's complaining. But I just wanted to like make like a little thank you, give back to just like, you know, tell them how much I appreciate them like showing up for me. So first thing I got was this topical eye mask. So next thing I got are this EOS lip balm. I already used one of them. I think it's this blue one, green one.
Like flavors of them.
Yeah, I got them in flavors. This one has. And next thing I got was this Neutrogena makeup wipe. I've used this before in the past and it's really good, so I think they're gonna like it. I ended up getting this last minute on Amazon because I had ordered like this flower. So yeah, I ordered this cute flower hair clips, and it's really cute. You can wear it on your hair, put it in your shirt or your handbag, your purse or whatever. And it's not coming yet on time, but we'll see. Today is Monday. I have about 6 days, so we'll see if I can get that package before Saturday. But I ended up getting this satin hair ties instead, and give everyone like one in your favorite colors. So yeah. And last but not least, this is the thank you bag. I don't know how to make this yet, but I'm gonna watch a quick video real quick on Amazon. And it just says thank you in the front, and then the back says especially for you. And bye. Thank you, Kimberly, for being such a great helper.
Baby girl, I want to make you bring them to my way. Yes, I they want them to be Baby girl, I want to make you bring them to my way.
Guys, we have to climb this rocks, and yeah, this is actually kind of hard. Oh, wait, what? Yeah, I don't think we need to go in yet. For real.
Me amor, I'm not one that you can ignore. I want your phone numero, por favor, por favor. I see your body is like Pokeball. I'll come and pick you up in.
I have to take a picture of this.
We have Abigail, late by Abby, coming soon. Go check out.
Install.
This is the wig right there.
Weeds. Yes.
And yeah, so I got my hair from this brand called Ali Coco on TikTok, and this is what came with the hair. Got the lashes. I got this cute headband too, and this wig caps. Let's get the process behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's just sidebar type.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, this way? Which side is your good side with your nose ring?
Yeah.
Is this the side you're going to be?
Yeah. So like this, right? It won't mean so I'm confused.
No, because mine, I do my side part.
Okay, so mine should be over here, yeah.
That's all. Is this a 13 by 6 or 13 by 4?
I love me a side part. Oh my gosh, whenever I get my wig, I always do side part. I can't lie.
Side part is the best.
I've never done middle before.
Middle's cute too, but side part.
I just eat like
Just in your room. That's my Alexa.
Is this proper good? Hey guys, we're all done. This is the final product. Well, not really the final product, but you guys get what I mean. Everyone say thank you, Abigail. Thank you, Abigail. But yeah, guys, that's it for tonight. I'm really sleepy. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, which is the day of my dinner. Bye.
Bye.
We're at KFFO. We're about to get some food.
Oh, yeah.
And what sticker do you want? We have some dinosaurs, kitty stickers, pandas, but then I didn't. This might be my favorite.
Dama, oh yeah, jello, oh yeah.
Tomorrow's my birthday, June 2nd, Monday. Today's currently Sunday, June 1st. But I am having my birthday dinner today. I did the spa yesterday with my friends. And before I start start my makeup and all, because it's almost time, let me do like an unboxing video for you guys. So this is the thank you bag I made for my friends that came to the spa with me yesterday, just to see like a little bit of thank you. And I'm gonna unbox what was inside for you guys to see. So first, everyone got 2 scrunchies, one in your favorite color and the other was just a random color that I felt like could match with your favorite color. Hey, right now blue is currently my favorite color, and I gave myself this gray satin hair tie to go with it. And Coco, wait, hold on. And then everyone also got this EOS lip balm. Some people got 2, some got 1. I got 1 for myself. I'm so extra. Of course, I made 1 for myself too, because why not, period. And then everyone got a topical eye mask. I'm actually about to put this on my eyes right now before I start getting ready. And everyone got Neutrogena wipes. And that's all I got everyone for my birthday. And we also got this flower hair clip. I don't have mine right now, but I guess I'll show that to you guys another time. But yeah, guys, go get changed real quick and start getting ready for my birthday.
Oh my god, I thought this car was coming. Happy early birthday!
Thank you! I'm trying to film for my YouTube channel.
Do you have an outlet?
There's one up here.
My trigger's actually so bad.
Oh my gosh, it feels so good. Oh my goodness. Let me put my headband. This headband, it came with my wig, my hair, and it's so cute. Cheddar print. What should I do next? I'm probably gonna start taking out like my jewelries, my clothes, and putting them to the side. And oh, I should make some TikToks too. Yeah.
Drop the rhythm, dummy.
Okay, turn.
Okay, let's go.
Yes, okay. So, yes, you did it again. Ooh, I like that. Try looking that other direction. Like with your head, not just your face. Yeah. No, not all the way. Like just slightly look as if someone called your name and you like, yeah, like that. T.
Praise!
Applying to any and everything that said less than 1 year experience, less than 6 months experience.
Hey guys, this is Ola. Hi everyone. Oh, Ola's been on my channel before, but many years ago. Remember I did a vlog for your birthday? Went to Paris. What that pink dress. That was like what? I'm bad guys. 20, 21. Yeah. 2021, yeah. But guys, it's his birthday. Finally at my dinner. The last time you guys saw me, I was getting ready. I'm telling them the last time they saw me, I was getting ready. Yeah. So now we're here. What time is that, Mother? Maybe like 5, 6 p.m. Okay, what time is the dinner? I think now it's like 7. What time is this dinner supposed to be? 9:30. Oh, I didn't tell you the right. Oh, you're a timely person. Yeah. Thank you so much, babe. Thank you so much. Bye. Nice to meet you. Drive safe. I'm never in doubt. Bye-bye. You look so pretty. She always looks so pretty. Right? She looks a something. She gives that a stick. So sweet for coming. You said southern? Oh, no, I said sweet for coming.
She's a fine babe.
Oh. Do you like your food? What do you rate your food?
The food, I would give it a 7 out of 10.
7 over 10? Oh, you know, what did you get? Pasta?
I got the pasta.
Do you like it? How do you rate it?
I like it. I'm also gonna rate it a 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10? Okay.
It's like it's a subway.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Boston. Birthday to you. Hooray!
This is a screenshot I took when you posted.
You're lying.
I'm not lying.
No way. Oh my gosh. That's a kid show.
Yeah, I took a screenshot.
Hey guys, welcome back. Obviously, it's after my birthday now, and I already left Houston. This is gonna be the end of my birthday vlog, but before we end, let me show you guys like a haul, like gifts I got for my birthday for my friends. So yeah, I got a few gifts from a couple of my friends, and like can't wait to show you guys. And I honestly love all of my gifts, like from everyone. Let's see, first I'll show you guys this book. So I had a wish list, and everyone got me something from the wish list. So one of the things I had there was books, and my friend Abigail got me this book because she claims I'm an overthinker and I need to learn to stop like thinking about what other people think. So she got me this book. Thank you, Abigail. She also got me this face steamer. I had this on my wish list also. And as you can see, I opened this yesterday and I still need to figure out how it works. I got these 2 gifts from my friend Cheesy. She got me the Danessa Myrick skin tint blurry powder. I don't really know what it's called, but it's so crazy because we went window shopping a few weeks ago and I was saying like how I wanted to try this so bad, and that's why she got it for me for my birthday. She also got me earrings for me. Klein, I think it's Anne Klein. That's how you pronounce the brand. She got me these earrings and so pretty. It's giving summer. I'm definitely going to be wearing them this summer. Whew. This one surprised me. She got me a Kindle because I remember like I think April or March was when I wanted one so freaking bad, and I kept like telling her like, you know, I really want a Kindle and everything. And I even posted on my spam account like, whoever gets me one for my birthday, I'm gonna love you forever. But obviously I wasn't really expecting anyone to get it for me, even though I was telling people about it. So yeah, this really surprised me. And she also like attached like a screenshot of my story of me saying, whoever gets me one for my birthday, I'm gonna love you forever, and with some really cute notes. This keeps falling. But yeah, this is the Kindle and I'm so excited. The last thing I got this perfume from my friend Alma from Victoria's Secret. I also had this in my wish list. It looks like this. Thank you, Alma. And honestly, I have the best friends ever because I think everyone that got me a gift. Oh, also my cousin Grace had gotten me a gift too, but she got me a Kindle also. I'll insert the clip in this video. So she just chose to return her gifts and get me something else. So my friend Linda also got me a card and a flower. The flower is in my living room, so I can't bring it out right now. But yeah, so this is it. I love all my friends. Thank you guys so much. I had an amazing weekend. Like the birthday was really good, and we also went out after my dinner, but I think I forgot to vlog that because we were there for about like 10-15 minutes and we left. And yeah, this is gonna be the end of this vlog. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Bye. See you next weekend.
I like your style, you know this. Other than boys, them know this. I like your style, you know this.